Get ready. 5 seconds. 28 dot. It is now clear that the time of report and manner of report are shrouded in mystery and there are vital discrepancies with regard to the same. Stop. It is also indicated that appellant did have a bad relationship, if not outright enmity, with Brahm Singh, Pradhan, a very influential man. Stop. PW2 Baljit has also admitted in the aforesaid testimony that Brahm Singh, Pradhan used to seek help of police against both appellant Subodh and deceased Adesh. Stop. Para 29 dot. We have carefully examined all the evidence available on record. Stop. We are not in agreement with trial judge. Stop. The alleged last seen evidence of PW2 Sahendra Pal is not without blemish. The fact of the matter is that, except the uncertain statement of PW2 Sahendra, there is no evidence on record to suggest that deceased Adesh and appellant Subodh were, in fact, lastly seen together. Stop. The delay of 7 days creates doubt his evidence. Stop. Even it is assumed that accused was seen in the company of deceased 7 to 8 days prior to his disappearance, that by itself is not sufficient to hold appellant guilty of anything. Stop. As per testimony of PW2 Sahendra itself, several village folks travelled in the same bus. Stop. The eagerness of PW2 Sahendra to show that Adesh and Subodh were travelling to Muzaffarnagar itself is without any basis. Stop. Even if we believe that testimony of Sahendra is correct, then it can merely establish the fact that deceased Adesh and appellant Subodh boarded the bus from village along with several persons, including PW2 Sahendra himself, on a particular day. Stop. It is also pertinent to which was also boarded by deceased as well as several members of the same village, and that by itself is not sufficient to even prima facie indicate the culpability of appellant. Stop. Para 30 dot. It is pertinent to point out that PW2 Sahendra Pal did not inform the investigating officer that he had seen deceased Adesh in the company of appellant Subodh. Stop. This fact has been admitted by PW2 Sahendra Pal in his testimony. Stop. PW2 Sahendra Pal took considerable time to inform his uncle that deceased was last seen in the company of appellant Subodh, but to withhold this information from investigating officer is extremely surprising. Stop. Para 31 dot. It is pertinent to point out that PW5 Kali Ram and PW6 Ratan Singh have also refused to support the prosecution story, wherein it has been said that both appellant Subodh and deceased Adesh had gone to the village fair in village Trisang. Stop. Both these witnesses have disowned their alleged statements were under section 161 CRPC, which creates doubt. Stop. The prosecution case also depends on the extrajudicial confession. Stop. The story of extrajudicial confession has been introduced by PW8 Brahm Singh, the village Pradhan, with whom appellant Subodh had antagonistic relationship, and this fact has been conceded by the very important witness, namely, PW1 Baljit, father of deceased, within brackets, page numbers 13 to 14 of paper book. Stop. Therefore, the story of extrajudicial confession made before PW8 Brahm Singh must be seen in this background. Stop. So guys, ये आपकी डिक्टेशन हो गई है और इसकी स्पीड 120 प्लस, ठीक है, 120 प्लस इसकी स्पीड है. आप लोग इसको ट्रांसक्राइब करिएगा और मैटर की पीडीएफ आपको मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगी, प्रिवेलेंट एजुकेशन के नाम से. आप उसको ज्वाइन कीजिए. कोई भी डिक्टेशन होगा आपको उसकी पीडीएफ मिल जाएगी मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस. डेली डिक्टेशंस पाने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और शेयर करिए. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. जय हिंद.